live, but we'll just see here. It looked like Ron Jeremy's mustache, thick, damp, and wrong in ways the dictionary refuses to catalog. A sign of something ancient that still reeks of cigarette ash and cheap whiskey. The wind blows, but tonight it carries more than dust. It carries a whisper like 1,000 rats gnawing the alphabet into a hymn of despair. Then a locomotive blew through the town, steel, thunder, a scream of iron and oil, splitting the night wide open like a priest's skull on a forgotten altar, bringing it a lot of inspiration together into one place.